Dears, today we are going to see English. Okay, so English. So in previous class we have seen a beautiful rhyme. Okay, so what is the rhyme? Hello song. So I think you have remembered that song. Okay, so today we are going to see about the next part in my pet. Okay. So I think all of you are playing with your pets in your home. So let's enjoy the playing with our pets, okay? See, the beautiful pets are dogs, cats, parrots, and so many other animals also. Kid, lamb. So these are all very cute and beautiful pets to us. In this lesson, we have already seen now. So there is a girl and her pet. So they are walking to some place. Okay, so they are seeing so many things and they are asking its names and they are replying. Okay, so see this here. Here, hi, you're pretty. What is your name? So it is asked by that girl. Okay. So what is the reply of that flower? So the flower replying that it is Daisy. Okay. So now that lamb telling that hello Daisy, my name is Sweetie. So they are introducing one another. Okay. They are introducing themselves and others. Okay. After meeting the Daisy, they are moving. Okay, so now that girl, her name is Mulle. Okay, so she is asking that butterfly. Okay, so what is your name? So that butterfly replying to her question that I am butterfly. Okay, so now her pet is telling that hey, you're so colorful. So really butterflies are very very colorful, no? So it is replying that you are so colorful. Okay, so it is complimenting. Okay, it is making others happy. Okay, after meeting that butterfly, they are walking on their way. Okay, at that time they are meeting a tree. It is a mango tree. Okay, so now they are asking, a beautiful tree. Look at this, it is big. Okay, it is a big tree. Now see this, it is a very big tree. Okay, so what is your name? It was asked by her pet. Okay, so now that tree is replying that I am a mango tree. Okay, I'm a mango tree. Okay, so see, mango fruits are there in this tree. So it is replying that I'm mango tree. So they all have names. So what is your name? If I'm asking you children, can you tell your name? Okay, so if I'm asking you, you should have to tell your name. Okay, my name is. Okay, so my name is and your name. Okay. Okay, let us see a alphabet story. A happy jungle. Okay, so see this. A. The ant is in its hill. Okay, the ant's dwelling place. The ant's living place is a small sand hill. Okay, so the ant is living in its hill. Okay, the bear is in its cave. Okay, so bear's living place is cave. Okay, in Tamil it was known as kugai. Okay, so B for bear, A for ant. A for ant, it is living in hill. B for bear, it is living in its cave. Okay, so C for cat. The cat is on the tree. Okay, the cat is on the tree. Okay, D for dog. The dog is in its house. Okay, in our house we are having dogs, no? So the dog is in its house. Okay, so A for ant, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog. Ant is in its hill, bear is in its cave, cat is on the tree, so dog is in its house. Okay, let's see the next one. E for elephant. E for Elephant. Okay, so elephant is in the forest. The elephant is in the forest. Okay, so F for fox. The fox is in its hole. The fox is in its hole. Okay, G for goat. G for goat. The goat is in the shed. Okay, the goat is in the shed. H for horse. H for horse. The horse is in the farm. Horse is where? Horse is in the farm. Okay. So I. I for ibis. I for ibis. Okay. So the ibis is in the lake. Okay. The ibis is in the lake. So tell to me. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for horse. I for ibis. Okay. So elephant is in the forest. Fox is in its hole. Goat is in the shed. Horse is in the farm. Ibis is in the lake. Okay, so already we have seen a rhyme which is about hello song. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this song. Today also we are going to sing a song. Okay, it is a very familiar song to you because you are learning that song from your UKG LKG itself. Okay, so let's see that song, ABC song. Okay, so join with me and sing with me. Sing with me, dear children. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's repeat one more time. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So did you enjoy this song? So just sing this so many times in your home, okay? Okay, see this? So here is a light, air conditioner, projector, smart board, laptop, window, door. Okay, so let's see the spellings for that names. Okay, light, Light, light. Okay, air conditioner, AirConditioner, air conditioner. Projector, Projector, projector. Smart board, SMARTBOARD, smart board. Laptop, LAPTOP. Okay, laptop, LAPTOP. Window, WINDOW, window. Door, DOOR, door. Okay, so see this. So you have to learn these words. Okay, so tell so many times and learn these words. Let me repeat one more time. Light, LIGHT, light. Okay, so air conditioner, AirConditioner, air conditioner. Projector, PROJECTOR, JECTOR, projector. Smartboard, SMART BOARD. Laptop, LAPTOP. Window, WINDOW. Window. Door, DOOR, door. Okay. See this? It is a girl. Okay. So she is a girl. So GIRL, girl. Okay. BOY, boy. Okay. So PENCIL, pencil. Okay. PENCIL, pencil. Notebook, NOTEBOOK, notebook. Stool, STOOL, stool. Bag, BAG, bag. Okay. So let us repeat this one more time. Okay. Girl, GIRL, girl. Boy, BOY, boy. Pencil, PENCIL, pencil. Notebook, NOTEBOOK, notebook. Stool, STOOL, stool. Bag, BAG, bag. Okay. See this? It is a roof. ROOF, roof. Fan, FAN, fan. Cupboard, CUPBOARD, cupboard. Book, BOOK, book. Television, TELEVISION, television. Wall, WALL, switch. SWITCH, switch. Okay. So let us repeat this one more time. Okay. Roof, ROOF, roof. Fan, FAN, fan. Cupboard, CUPBOARD, cupboard. Book, BOOK, book. Television, TELEVISION, television. Wall, WALL, wall. Switch, SWITCH, switch. Okay. See this? It is a low level board. Okay. LOWLEVEL, low level. BOARD, low level board. Okay. Floor, FLOOR, floor. Table, TABLE, table. Okay. So let us repeat this one more time. Low level board, LOW, low. LEVEL, level. BOARD, board, low level board. Okay. Floor, FLOOR, floor. Table, TABLE, table. Okay. So these things are inside our classroom. Okay. So what you are going to do? Complete this assignment. So how? Read out all the names. Okay. So all these names so many times and learn the spelling for this names. Okay. So after that, write it in your notebook and ask your mom to take a photograph of it and send it to your classroom. Okay. What I have told you as your assignment, learn and write the names of the things in the classroom. So complete that homework and send it to the classroom or Henry Kalam Academy class 1 at gmail.com. Okay. Thank you guys. You're good children now. So complete the homework and send it to your classroom. Take care.